Hello and welcome to our review of the Thermaltake The Tower 500. In this video, we'll be taking a look at this impressive PC case and evaluating its features, design, and overall performance. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. Let's start with the design of this case. The Thermaltake The Tower 500 has a unique vertical design, making it stand out from traditional PC cases. It's made from high-quality aluminum and tempered glass, giving it a sleek and modern look. It's available in both black and white, so you can choose the color that best fits your setup. When it comes to size, the Tower 500 is large, standing 29 inches tall and 12.6 inches wide. However, it's surprisingly light for its size, weighing in at just over 30 pounds. The case is designed to be fully modular, making it easy to access and upgrade components. The top panel of the case is also detachable, allowing for additional customization. The Thermaltake The Tower 500 is built to support a wide range of hardware configurations, making it a great choice for gamers and enthusiasts. It can accommodate motherboards up to E80X size and has room for up to 8 expansion slots. There's plenty of room for storage, with support for up to 10 2.5-inch drives and 4 3.5-inch drives. The Tower 500 comes with 2 pre-installed 140mm fans and has space for up to 3 more fans. It also has support for liquid cooling systems, with space for up to a 360mm radiator in the front of the case. The case has excellent cable management, with plenty of space behind the motherboard tray for routing cables and keeping them out of sight. In terms of performance, the Thermaltake The Tower 500 does not disappoint. The case provides excellent ventilation, which helps keep your components cool even during intense gaming sessions. The case also has sound dampening panels on the sides, top, and front, which helps to reduce noise levels. The Thermaltake The Tower 500 comes at a premium price, costing around £250. However, it's well worth the investment if you're looking for a high-quality PC case that offers excellent performance, plenty of customization options, and a unique design that will make your setup stand out. To sum up, the Thermaltake The Tower 500 is an excellent choice for gamers and enthusiasts who want a high-quality, well-designed PC case. It has a unique vertical design, plenty of customization options, and excellent performance. However, it comes at a premium price, so it may not be the best choice for those on a tight budget. Thank you for watching our review of the Thermaltake The Tower 500. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting us know your thoughts on this case. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tech news.